This isn't just a pair of earbuds. This is a piece of tech jewelry. OPPO just dropped the Enco Clip2, and it's a massive departure from everything they've done before. In a world of Pro and Air clones, OPPO is betting on the Clip, but is it actually comfortable? And more importantly, does an open-ear design finally sound good? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the unibody ear cuff design. It uses what OPPO calls an ear hug fit. Instead of plugging into your ear canal, it clips onto the side. The secret sauce here is the shape memory NCVM arc. It's super flexible, but has enough clamping strength to stay put during a run. At just 5.2 grams per bud, you genuinely forget you're wearing them after 10 minutes. Plus, they're symmetrical. You don't have to check for L or R labels. The software automatically detects which ear they're in and swaps the stereo channels. That is a genius quality of life feature. Usually, open-ear buds sound thin. OPPO fixed this by cramming a dual-drive acoustic engine inside. We're talking an 11mm bass driver paired with a 9mm tweeter, tuned by the legends at Dynaudio. Because they support LHDC 5.0, you're getting high-res audio wireless. The bass is surprisingly punchy for an open design, and the mids are crisp. Privacy check. You're probably wondering if everyone can hear your music. They use dipole sound field technology, which uses reverse sound waves to cancel out leakage. In a quiet office, unless you're at 100% volume, your neighbor won't hear a thing. Inside is a flagship 6nm AI quad-core chip. This powers the crystal clear bone calls. It actually uses a VPU, voice pickup unit, to detect the vibrations in your jawbone, making your voice stand out even in a windy park. And for the travelers, it has AI Translate built in. Pair it with an OPPO phone, and you get real-time translation for 24 languages right in your ear. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Battery life is stellar. You get 9.5 hours on a single charge of the buds, and up to 40 hours with the case. A quick 10-minute charge gives you hours of playback. They are also IP55 rated, so sweat and rain aren't going to kill them. So, who is the Enco Clip2 for? If you hate the feeling of silicone tips in your ears, or you need to stay aware of your surroundings while cycling or working, these are easily the best in the clip category right now. They look premium, they sound better than the Huawei Free Clip, and the software integration is top tier. At around $135 to $150 USDs, converted, they aren't the cheapest, but they are definitely the most stylish. What do you think? Is the ear cuff the future of headphones? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.